Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to this next part of part two of the Lancer to Evo conversion. Right now, it's the GTR build. That's the blue Lancer over there, Evo 10 passenger quarter panel, and I have been drilling out these spot welds right here. All right, guys, I got majority of the spot welds out, like all these, as you can see. All right, guys, that took a little bit longer than I thought, but I got all the spot welds out of the Evo X quarter panel. All right, guys, right now I'm about to do some more spot welds up at the top on the passenger side. All right, guys, officially got the quarter panel cut up a bit. All right, guys, here's the first test bit. Honestly, there's some stuff I gotta make sure goes over properly. Okay. All right, guys, we kind of got majority of the we kind of got the quarter panel on a little bit. I'm still tweaking it to make get the fitment perfect. All right, guys, I'm gonna start cutting some more off, trimming a bit. This is what it's kind of starting to look like. It's not really on there, but yeah, look at it. Yeah, imagine this side with the Evo front end and with the Evo rear end, what it's gonna look like. I think that's pretty cool. All right, guys, check it out. We got the rear quarter panel mocked up on how it's gonna be. All right, guys, these welds are absolutely hideous. I'm gonna grind them down. I'm not finished, but I had a bit of a gap, so I'm welding this up right now. Put you on the time lapse, and then I'm gonna work my way around welding everything else. All right, I just welded across there. It's pretty freaking ugly, like really ugly. I gotta grind it down and it'll look pretty, but I'll do that. All right, this side's almost on. I'm still doing some spot welds, and then yeah, as you can see, we have the passenger side on. All right, look at this. We got the quarter panel off, and now we're gonna go do the same thing. Oh, it's about to fly away. Oh man. Okay. Oh, don't hit the GTR. Don't hit the Evo. The Wevo. Boom. New quarter panel right there. Now it's time to get this crap off. Let's get it. I'm gonna be doing a lot behind the scenes, removing this off because I'm trying to beat daylight, you know. So with that being said, this is a quick before, and then I will do an after once I get the door and the quarter on, hopefully. Let's get to it. All right, guys, the hood on here, I'm actually about to get rid of it. I'm going for an OEM look, and I have a buddy that wants to trade me a carbon fiber trunk and with a duckbill, so I can get rid of that Lancer trunk that's ugly, and he's gonna give me a factory OEM hood. So I'm gonna pull this hood off and set off to the side, and the next hood y'all see on here will be a factory Evo one. All right, took the hood off of the Lancer, and I put the almost said Evo, and it's over there. All right, guys, I got the new hood and the new trunk too, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, the thing looks beautiful. All right, guys, the wife helped me behind the scenes, but this is the new front end. So white and so powerful. I'm fine, but it's very it's white now, but it's a factory Evo 10 hood, so that's cool. Oh my goodness, guys, all of this for a square gas cap. Next time y'all see this car, it will be daytime, so let's get to that. Alrighty, it is daytime now, guys, and this is the outside. The door's closed, but I have this right here, and I am going to essentially, I'm going to mark a line with a Sharpie. All right, guys, I am about to do some quick grinding. Not really quick, but it's gonna look quick to y'all. Side here. So this is essentially what it's gonna look like. I got it exactly in place where I wanted it. Yeah, I'm gonna push in a little bit like that. I gotta grind this down to like bare metal right here, and then I'm gonna add some tack welds in place and get this in. All right, guys, it's dark as crap, but both quarter panels are on. This is it with the door open. That's it with the door closed. All the body lines line up, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I just put some primer on, and I'm about to add some seam sealer around all the crap around there. What are you doing? Look at it. Yo, there's no Mitsubishis out tonight. It's all about the scooter gang, yo. Scooter gang, look at this. All right, this is it for today's video, and basically I'm gonna see y'all next time. But cool recap: full front end swap, hood, fenders, front bumper, and this is the full rear end swap with the trunk's not mounted all the way; it's just through on there. But the rear doors and the rear quarter panels, and yeah, this is it. And yeah, all the body lines line up like perfectly. There's no like weird gaps or anything. May have like a little thing because I have some crap tucked in, but other than that, it's all on there. The only thing I haven't done was honestly put side skirts on the rear bumper, but I'm gonna add some primer over it and let that sit. And then yeah, and we're Gucci, guys. But hey, it's not bad. This was pretty cool, you know, really cool. So yeah, I appreciate it, and I will catch you guys in the next video, which will be really soon, and I'll be installing the rear bumper and tails. So yeah, bye.